I throw a salute and I don't welcome for football in Pidgin. After match, talk am how you see am. Portugal 3 and Ghana 2. And we get Oga Precious, like say, Ogbonge football fan and Ogbonge person. Make tell us about how we see this game. Oga Precious, before this match, 5 African countries don't play and none of them don't fit score. Ghana lose, but for towards the end of the match, they still show say them one show fight. They still score 2 goals for the match. But how you see the performance from both sides, Oga Precious?
Well, actually, now Cameroon now just put my mind for the World Cup. Now but they don't fuck up already.
They come for your hand.
For Ghana, normally we not expect them to win Portugal before, but we got support them because they be Africa. They try, they bring good fight come outside. But the thing what I see be say not be equal right. At least some little fouls. Not be made them lose, but the sport check VAR, like that penalty now. Even the third goal, the sport check for offside, they not check her. Those small things, so they bring distraction to game. And those small things make person lose match. But not that won't be the excuse, yeah. They try, but they're not expected to beat Portugal before. But the problem is say this World Cup, so maybe they give Africa some kind liberty, some kind things. Because, for example, now, black man, white man, you they argue for field like the referee go corner. You can see that one between Danilo and that Ghana midfielder. And Danilo play rough, but the Ghana player leg just touch his leg. He can't just hold the leg. I see they want kill him. The referee call they give the 2 yellow card. I suppose give the Portugal player yellow card. So all those kind of small things, they cause distraction for game. That's what I just see.
So I want to ask you now that penalty will happen for the game. So you because when the penalty happen, some people say na penalty, some people say no be penalty. But to you, that ball na penalty.
Lie. Now he leg and the boy touch now.
So to you, wrong call from the referee for them.
They just want favor Ronaldo.
So, but I want to ask you now. You know, say some people don't they complain say African teams they struggle for inside this World Cup. But with waiting you they see, which African team now? With all the African teams not play their first match, which African team you feel predict say they go qualify go the next round, or African teams you predict say they will qualify go the next round of this World Cup?
If anyone qualify now under miracle, I'm not sure. I doubt. First of all, the amount of money when these white countries they put for their football academy, 1, and 2, they get other things where they get other things they search for their talent, their young talent. And if you notice, most of these countries they do when African players they use from USA to Portugal to France, all of them are black players. So when they take our best talent, say they make their national team strong, we they give out our best talent because they settle for less. So those things that they affect African countries, like Mourinho talked about 3 months ago. He said they say make everybody play for their normal motherland. Africa will win World Cup. See them on paper, check out the great players. Zidane, Benzema, they be from Africa, Pogba and Kante. So if all these players they play for their country, if they go up, even us on joy where Ghana beg, they say they don't play for England. So all these small things, so now you go make me see I say go out to Africa to go far for World Cup. First of all, referee not favor them. This white country they collect our better players and everything.
So, but with waiting you don't see now, most top nations and all the African countries don't play their first match now. So, but we notice some round-up games still there today. Brazil self go still play Serbia. Some games go there tomorrow. But which country you feel the tip with waiting you don't see? Say no for the full participants. Everybody will go to the World Cup. Say they go win this World Cup.
I swear, I not for you skip anybody now. Because for the big nation, I always Spain don't do well. I not the see Spain to win, honestly. And they see that to go far, but they not feel winner. But they look up to Brazil, maybe Argentina, or this Portugal. For Belgium, those their players, now expired players. Those players, they just get the name. They don't actually lose form. Like the Hazard, the Lukaku. They're not did what they did before. Maybe I think Picasso only De Bruyne. But those they Hazard, so they're not did what they did before.
So, but if I will let you go, Oga Precious, which player if you predict say go be the most valuable player, go play past all the rest player for this World Cup?
Well, you know, say that they give a young player of the tournament. They say they give a most valuable player.
Highest goal scorer, golden boot, best goalkeeper too.
For highest goal scorer, most of them don't say with 2 goals. I don't figure out. But you see this Messi, Ronaldo, they look there to go there because there be players so be like say FIFA they favor well. If you touch Messi for 18 a penalty, same with Ronaldo. So and once that penalty converted, they likely they convert her. So I dey look get to be top scorer. Even player with tournament sef, somehow I get the way FIFA take dey manipulate how they give them.